Yeah, what? Tip. There you go. What's happened? What are you doing? Now, do now. Go and bring matches. You can light it and make it hot. If you put matches, it go hot. If you want not to cut it, I bring. If you want bucket for the blood, I will bring bucket for you. Yes, who is that? Who is that?
I'm you.
Okay, hold down. Tip. You're welcome, Father. Oh my God. The only tip in Imo. International tip. Global tip. Tip Imo. You're welcome. You're welcome to my house, Pa. I'm very happy. Hey, Phyllis, sit down.
Wait,
I put you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Pa.
Thank you. Hello,
Yes.
how are you?
I'm fine.
You're always looking.
Hey, I'm very
The
fine.
Lord is good.
I know. You're welcome, Tip.
Thank you.
Tip.
Me.
Tip Imo. Tip Imo. The number one.
Me.
International global tip.
That is me.
The only tip in Imo.
We are not good.
You're welcome to my humble award. Welcome, Tip. Welcome. Guy.
I'm always happy to come to you.
So, Tip, what can I offer you?
Anything offerable.
Okay.
A beggar have no choice.
Tip, you are not a beggar. A tip cannot be a beggar, man. International number one. You have money. You are very rich, Tip. You are very cheap, rich. Okay. It's okay. I know what I will start with. I know what to give you. I'll call you.
Good Hausa woman. She's very kind. Thank God that her soul has been given up. Hey,
Tip. Yes, hey, Tip. Yeah, was so this one is like appetizer. It's an appetizer.
Now you have taken me back to the Eden.
What?
Garden of Eden.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Fruit. Now this kind of Adam and Eve eat. Their eye a little roti. So if I finish this one, I go see vision beyond my vision is.
It's okay, Tip.
Thank you very much.
Tip. You know, this is an appetizer.
Okay,
it's going to prepare your stomach for the main meal, for the main dish.
Yeah.
So now you are going to tell me what you want me to make for you.
Do I have a choice? A beggar have no choice, my friend. Anything at all is good for me.
Tip, you are international, but you are very rich, Tip. Anything you want, just anything at all. I have everything in this house.
You get chicken a la carte.
Chicken a la carte.
Chicken a la carte.
Is that Freya or is Allah ya kata?
That's what I'm going to have you. Don't worry. Bring Kobe for me.
Okay. Tip. And this name you are calling. It's very difficult. You don't like continental dishes. Don't you international? Oh my God, Tip. These names are too much, Pa. They are too much. Are you swearing for me?
Anyway, you get a meat pie.
Well, snacks. You want like snacks?
Snacks. Junk food, meat pie, meat rogo. Hot dog day. I can manage hot dog.
Tip, did I hear you well? Hot dog. Tip, I thought you are coming from Imo. I didn't know you are coming from that state. They are eating dog. They're cooking hot dog.
Calabar people.
So you're eating that one. Hey, Chief, what dog is expensive, pa?
I don't worry.
Amma, it's okay. I know you are very rich man. It's okay.
Thank you,
I'm coming. Let me. Oh my God.
Hey, why your mama? Oh, banana cake. So you look to one man why your own. Who one that chapa? Huh? I go with banana and do gradually never. Someone now will have. Yeah, Lala. Hey. Hey, you are Willie. Hey.
Yeah, what? Chief, there you go. What's happened? Now, dog, mana. Go bring matches. You can light it to make it hot. If you put matches, it go hot. If you want knife to cut it, I bring. If you want bucket for the blood, I go bring bucket for you.
I go need the blood, my go don't walk for the father. I want to go to Mama Williams. Who is the man? Eh? You never hot dog is a common woman. You were grandma with the matches saying, Abraham, not Isaac. You go come to Concord. You go carry my wood to come back where go take what your life. No, English, what do you say? Every time when I English go bend down like this. What is different that I need the hot dog? Hot dog, on a ring with I idea in me, and I don't cut you nonsense woman.
Chief, see, this dog is very expensive, pa. If not because you are cheap, I can't give anybody dog, pa, to eat. It's because you are cheap. That's why I bring the dog for you. It's very expensive.
I mean, I mean, with them, Mama, caught dog, they what is wrong with you? You want to kill me? You don't go to Calabar. I be chief him or not chief Calabar.
Chief, Philip, collect this dog. Chief, take. Collect the dog, take the matches.